How to send USDT from Binance to Binance. The first step is to log in into your Binance account. So open your browser and go to binance.com. Then you can log in, and if you don't have an account yet, you can just create one easily. Once you have logged in, navigate to the wallet page by clicking on the wallet tab at the top of the page. Click on overview option. Next, click on withdraw option. Then you have to select the coin. Go ahead and choose the USDT. Now you have to enter the address, the one where you want to transfer this. Go ahead and do that. You can find the Binance address by going to the wallet section as before and clicking on the deposit option instead of withdraw. Make sure that you have entered the correct address. Then go ahead and choose the network. Since the Binance supports multiple USDT networks, make sure to select the correct one that matches the receiving Binance account. Now you have to enter the amount of USDT that you wish to transfer. Then finally, review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. And that's it. That is how you can transfer USDT from one Binance to another. I hope the video was helpful. If there is any question, please feel free to use the comment section, and I'm going to see you in next video.